Compounders, good morning. We can see some relief moves up on BTC before we even take out that main low. And what I'm looking for is this on a low time frame, which obviously you have a range right now. You have some demand, and that is on the 1 minute. That's the only bearish candle there is left as demand. You have bigger demand on the 10, which is already mitigated on that move, and you have the 786 right there. So the range you're in right now is this range from low to high. So this is your range, and that range is already 1 day and 2 hours. So that's a very nice range. But within that range, you can have moves as well. So is it the best to take out the extreme point of the range and form a mid/high time frame accumulation? Yes, that's the best. Then you have the extreme point of the range taken out with your 1, 2, 3, and you go higher. That will be your relief bounce up. What we see right now is we're leaving a lot of liquidity above us. So it's time to pay attention because the liquidity will get taken out eventually. We had liquidity below us as well, which was taken out right there on that move. First move is very often the fake move. And I hope we are not going to see a continuation already, not creating any good schematics. That would be a shame. So what I'm watching for is or that range or a manipulation below this point. And that will be the reason I can draw my range from low to high here. And that's the range in a range I am gonna watch. So I'm gonna set an alert on that point, an alert on the demand, and an alert on the range low, and obviously an alert on the range high. So the plan of today is gonna be taking out the range low and find longs to take out all the liquidity above us. If we go lower, I'm watching to take out that low, watch for an accumulation there. If we don't accumulate there, I expect a rotation towards the range low, and I'm heavily watching for relief bounces up after taking out that range low. Okay, heavily watching for relief bounces up. So I will take any good bottom formation there, any low time frame Wyckoff, I will long that on BTC. We see aligning on USDT as well. Oh, I hope we're not. Oh, no. Please don't go up already. That will be a shame. That will mean that you're already accumulating here. And if that is the case, it's a shame. Like, then you have a sort of range right there with a manipulation phase here. And it's going up right now. So I definitely hope that is not the case and we will go still down. On USDT, we are having obviously that model was complete, like that Wyckoff model was complete to go to that range high. We have now taken out this point, and I expect the all-time high to get taken out as well. That would mean take out the high time frame low on BTC. So that is what I'm watching on USDT. But we can have a slight relief, not relief, but a slight move down before that happens. The daily looks quite okay. The daily on BTC looks okay. So the bottom formation, I'm not talking about the bottom formation, I'm talking about the daily candle. And the daily candle looks fine. No unfinished candles. And it looks like we are going up already. But let's see. USDT. We obviously met the target of the range. This is the range we're in right now, and the same as on BTC, so we can have some moves down. And the thing is, we already took out that range high, and we didn't take out that range low on BTC. So this, I'm talking about this point, we did take it out on USDT, didn't take it out on BTC. So then we're going to USDC and look if we took it out on USDC, and we did not. So you can see USDC as well in this range, and you can see, so we didn't take out that range high on USDC. On USDT we did. So the plan on USDT is or create a model there, find confirmations on altcoins, or obviously create a Wyckoff, manipulating above and going lower because we're leaving a lot of liquidity below us. So that is what I'm watching today. Silver, we had our confirmations there, and I did take the trade. So we had our 1, 2, 3. I was talking about this in the videos for a long time. Very good range. And we had our level 2 market structure breaking back to bullish. Okay, that was there, and there was your aggressive move up, exactly what I was looking for. We were going down aggressively as well, breaking structure back to bearish, where I was saying, guys, we're creating a lot of supply as well, so I'm reducing my position. So I heavily reduced my position size, and there you had the distribution. So I was not in the trade anymore, and yeah, we're going down right now, so that is very unfortunate. So this is no longer your tap 3. It was such a good tap 3 POI, and we are now in this range from low to high. So you can watch this range definitely for confirmations, for Wyckoff confirmations. If we go higher, indeed, mitigated supply, spend some time here, and get another time a confirmation, that would mean your tap 3 exists of a Wyckoff schematic. And when your tap 3 exists of a Wyckoff schematic, you have your technical target right here of the lower time frame, and you have your 1, 2, 3 on the low time frame, and you have your 1, 2, 3 on the high time frame. That will mean a low time frame entry for a high time frame target. It will be even better, guys. So heavily monitoring silver today. And on ETH, we did take out that high time frame low. Okay, we did take it out. So what can we expect? A relief bounce up. We are leaving a lot of liquidity above us. So we're now in this range. This range is not taken out yet. So watching this range obviously for long confirmations. Why? Sip of my cappuccino. Because there's a lot of liquidity above. Okay, lot of liquidity above. I am watching for a potential 2-tap schematic as well. Why is that the case? Because we have right now our tap 1, we have our tap 2, so price can go higher, okay, and create a deviation right there with a break of structure. That would mean you have your low time frame tap 1, tap 2, tap 3, and if I see an aggressive break of structure, I will highly so not the word, I will most likely take that as well. I have to see it. If we create demand, for example, if we have an aggressive break, if it's in the volume profile, okay, so I will trade it 2-tap there as well to take it towards the range high to take out all that liquidity. That's the plan on ETH. And obviously I'm watching for a normal schematic as well. I'm watching for a normal schematic as well with a deviation. Then I will trade it as well. So if that happens, I'm watching the 1, 2, 3 to take out all the liquidity above us, a lot of liquidity above us. So that is the plan, guys. Be ready today and tomorrow, because it will deliver a lot of schematics. If this confirms, you have a very high probability scenario. Then we go to gold, and gold is in that demand, did take the liquidity, didn't form a good low as far as I can see right now. It's trying to create a good 4-hour low here with your 1, your 2, and your 3. So I am gonna watch what the next candle is gonna be. I do think we created supply on the way up as well, but this is not what you want to see for a good low, like those higher lows. So unless we have a very aggressive break with demand creation, I'm gonna enter this, but we don't have demand creation as far as I can see right now. No. So we are trying to break that market structure back to bullish. We have some liquidity above, especially right here. You have a lot of liquidity, a lot of highs. it's still pretty interesting, but I'm not gonna long this low right now. So I will monitor the 4-hour low as explained. Otherwise, I'm watching for a Model 1, which can still happen as well. But I do like the liquidity we're leaving behind there and there. We have some supply there. I do kind of like it. I do like it, but it needs more. It needs more. It's in the volume profile, which is very, very nice. Yes, this is actually looking pretty good. I will monitor the 4-hour low. If it sends before creating a good 4-hour low, I'm not in. So I will monitor the 4-hour low. Still an hour before it closes. Create a good low. And I'm long. And I will obviously update in the compound. Link is in the bio if I am indeed long. BTC still in the range, so that's good. Okay. Tesla. I'm monitoring this since like literally December 24, a long time ago. High time from distribution schematic. Very, very nice. Watching the extreme liquidity grab right there. The composite trader had a nice post about it on his Twitter as well. Very nice. Is there something I want to discuss? We can go through some altcoin pairs. We grabbed all the liquidity of Doge, which means we can find a long there as well. So monitor this range here. And it's the same as on ETH. So it has a range inside of a range. So you can watch for a model there as well with price going up. And then creating a tap 3 there. Did it not deviate that low? Oh, it did. Okay, it did deviate this low. So we are already having our 1 and our 2. You can watch for confirmations there. Grabbing extreme liquidity going up. Why do I want price to go up? Because contextually, it's amazing to have a relief bounce up here. Because you took out all the liquidity. And you have a lot of liquidity above you. So that is absolutely amazing, guys. Be ready and don't overcomplicate the price action. Be ready. What happened on Cardano? What is happening here? Oh. Holy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Zach, we were watching this. We were watching for a distribution here. Didn't grab the extreme supply. If this had a move right there, we were short, but we are not. Confirmations were at Matt, price going lower. Sui. Sui has a 3-day breaker here. Look at this. Where is he? Where is he? Is it a 2-day? I swear Sui had a 3-day breaker block. Oh, there. There it is. Going through the wick. This is the level I will monitor on Sui. So I will set an alert there at, what's that price? 6742. That's the level I'm watching on Sui. So if I see anything interesting, I will post it in the compound as well. And see you in the next video, guys. So make sure to like the video, subscribe on my channel, and see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.